Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an weather application using Django framework and using Openweather API. Don't delay and let's start the demonstration. Uh, Start our demonstration. I have already done this project. I will show how to, whole process, how to create this project and how to run this project and where you will get the project. I have already posted in my Git repository. You can download from that from the descriptions. I'll put that GitHub repository link and OpenWeather API link. There you can download my project. This is the project. Let's open this project. Yeah, this is the whole projects. I have done it. Here is the all the settings.py and the urls of this project, and this is the front end. One front end where you can see the temperature, all the humidity, all the details of the particular location. This one is the front end part, and all these views and urls is here. Models is not there, only this one, but only views are there, where the weather API key is there. Here all these are available, the code. You can download it from my GitHub repository. Let's see how to create the API key. Yeah, this is the open weather API. You have to log in. After login, you will get this interface on your screen. After that, API key, go to the API key. Here you have to give a name. Already I have given used this API weather key API. After give when you'll give the name, let's see, demo generate. Yeah, already created API key. This key you have to use there. Here you have to use API key. Okay. Yeah. Let's run this project. We have to activate our environment first. And go to the environment already created. This environment we have to go into it. CD weather env scripts activate it. After that, come out of the environment, then run this project. Python manage.py run server. Yeah, you can see that in Bhadra location default I have set that it will first show the Bhadrak Odisha. Then after that, if you'll give any location from India, Bangalore, yeah, you can see that humidity, wind speed, longitude, latitude, all come from open weather API. Another thing is that image is changing. Image is from other API that Unsplash API. That is Unsplash API. This is the Unsplash API. Here you have to use this API. I have used all the API. This on Splash API. You can go here. Uh, Here my app is there. My app, and we can create another app also. Here you have to, let's see my city. Here you can see access key is here, secret key is here. This access key I have used here. I have used here. This API is used for the image fetching. Here background image is fetching in the particular location. This is Bangalore location. If I will give Bhubaneswar, yeah, around, yeah, you can see that Bhubaneswar location you got like this. You have to do. This API link I will put in the description. You can go into it. This is the icon I have set here. Whatever you have seen, this icon I have set it. All the structured file are there. You can go into it. If any doubt, and if any uh, problem is there, you can comments me in the video, and I will touch with you. This type you will create the weather application using Django framework and API. Uh, if this video will helpful to you, then please comments to my video, and likes my video, and subscribe me to my channel, and spread my and share my video to your colleagues and your friends. That will be helpful for me. Thank you to all.